Hello students, look at this beautiful tiger. This tiger is built using sphere, cone, tube and curve. The objects are placed one above the other. Now let us try to place the objects one above the other and make a face of the tiger. For that we have sphere. Now let us move this cone to make the ear. For that I am using G, X and moving it along X axis and G, Z to move the cone along Z axis. Now just check whether it is placed correctly. No. Now on the Y axis we have to move it using GY and now it is placed correctly. Now to make the other ear, just duplicate this by using Shift D and move it using GX. Now the second ear is built. Now to make the eyes, move the sphere GX and GZ and place and check. So it is not placed correctly, so use GY to get it outside the sphere and now it is placed correctly. Now make duplicate by using Shift D and use GZ, GX to move the eye to the other side. Now to make nose, GX, GZ and check whether the nose is placed correctly. Yes. Now this is how we place the object one above the other to form the face. Now you know how to place the objects one above the other. Now let us try to make some beautiful animals using same concept and let us color them. Thank you.